Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm so excited to share this song with you, I Surrender All. It has three levels to it. We're going to start from the basic level with just some tertiary chords, some three-note chords, and then we're going to move on to the intermediate level where we're going to look at things like passing chords and some simple substitutions, and then we're going to look at the advanced level that's going to cover some really cool concepts. So let's get right to it. We're going to look at this first level here, and we're just going to cover the really basic chords, all right? So we have the first four measures are like this. All right. Now, the chords that I'm using are C major for the first. Hey guys, I'm so excited about this lesson. We are going to look at the song I Surrender All, and it's a more intermediate version. We're going to look at some passing chords, some substitutions, and I know you're going to find this lesson helpful in your piano playing journey. That being said, if you haven't been playing the piano for a while, you haven't mastered the fundamentals like understanding your basic chords and even some extensions, I would certainly suggest that you work through the first lesson for this, the basic version, before you come to the intermediate version. All right. Well, with that being said, let's get right to it. So this version of the song, it goes like this.